What if you could completely transform your office with just a few beautiful plants? Imagine walking into your workspace every morning and being greeted by vibrant green leaves, fresh natural beauty, and a calming atmosphere that instantly boosts your mood. The right indoor plants don't just decorate your office, they can make your workspace feel more relaxing, more inviting, and even more productive. Whether you work from home, manage a busy office, or simply want a healthier desk environment, choosing the right plants can make a remarkable difference. The best part? You don't need to be a gardening expert to enjoy lush, thriving greenery. Many office plants are incredibly easy to care for and can tolerate low light, air conditioning, and busy schedules. In today's video, we're counting down the 10 best office plants for 2026 that combine stunning beauty with low-maintenance care. We'll also share simple care tips for each plant, so you can keep them healthy and growing all year long. Stay until the end because our final plant is one of the toughest, most beautiful office plants you'll ever own, and it could be the perfect addition to your workspace. Let's begin with our number 1 pick. Plants number 1, snake plant taking. The number 1 spot is the incredible snake plant, one of the most reliable office plants you can own. Known for its upright, sword-shaped leaves with striking green patterns, this plant instantly gives any office a modern and elegant appearance. One of the biggest reasons it's so popular is its ability to thrive even when neglected. If you're someone who occasionally forgets to water your plants, the snake plant is incredibly forgiving. It tolerates low-light, fluorescent office lighting and even bright, indirect sunlight without losing its attractive appearance. Watering is simple. Allow the soil to dry completely before watering again, usually every 2 to 4 weeks depending on the season. Overwatering is the biggest mistake, so it's always better to underwater than overwater. Plant it in a pot with drainage holes using a well-draining succulent or cactus mix to prevent root rot. Dust the leaves occasionally to help the plant absorb more light and maintain its glossy look. Because it grows slowly, repotting is only necessary every few years. With almost no maintenance required, the snake plant remains one of the best choices for busy professionals who want a stylish, long-lasting plant that effortlessly enhances any office environment. Plants number 2. ZZ plant. Coming in at number 2 is the amazingly resilient ZZ plant, famous for its shiny emerald green leaves and nearly indestructible nature. If your office receives very little natural sunlight, this plant will still thrive without complaint. The ZZ plant stores water inside its thick underground rhizomes, allowing it to survive weeks without watering. This makes it one of the best choices for busy professionals, frequent travelers, or anyone new to houseplants. Water only when the soil is completely dry, typically every 2 to 3 weeks, and always avoid leaving water sitting in the pot. It performs beautifully under fluorescent office lights or bright indirect light, making placement extremely flexible. Choose a well-draining indoor potting mix and ensure the container has proper drainage holes. Wipe the glossy leaves with a damp cloth every few weeks to remove dust and keep them looking vibrant. Fertilize lightly during spring and summer once every 2 months to encourage healthy growth. Although the ZZ plant grows slowly, every new stem brings fresh glossy foliage that makes the entire plant look fuller and healthier. Its exceptional durability, elegant appearance, and minimal care requirements make it one of the finest office plants for creating a professional. Stress-free workspace in 2026. Plants number 3. Pothos. Our third recommendation is the beautiful pothos, a fast-growing trailing plant that instantly adds life and elegance to desks, shelves, bookcases, and hanging baskets. Its heart-shaped leaves, often decorated with attractive shades of green, yellow, or creamy white, create a lush tropical feel in almost any office setting. One of the greatest advantages of pothos is its incredible adaptability. It grows well in low light but produces fuller growth and more vibrant leaf colors when placed in bright, indirect sunlight. Water the plant when the top inch of soil becomes dry, usually once every week or 2 depending on indoor conditions. Avoid overwatering, as constantly wet soil can damage the roots. Trim long vines occasionally to encourage bushier growth, and don't throw away the cuttings. They root easily in water, allowing you to grow even more plants for your office. Feed with a balanced liquid fertilizer once a month during the growing season for faster development. Clean the leaves regularly to remove dust and help them absorb more light efficiently. Whether displayed on a bookshelf or cascading from a hanging planter, Pothos is one of the easiest and most rewarding office plants, providing beautiful greenery with very little effort throughout the entire year. Plants number 4. Peace lily number 4 on our list is the graceful peace lily, a timeless favorite that combines lush green foliage with elegant white blooms. This beautiful plant instantly creates a calm and sophisticated atmosphere, making it ideal for offices, reception areas, meeting rooms, or home workspaces. Peace lilies grow best in medium to low indirect light, making them well suited for indoor environments where direct sunlight is limited. Keep the soil evenly moist but never soggy by watering whenever the top inch of soil begins to dry. One helpful feature is that the leaves naturally droop when the plant becomes thirsty, giving you a clear signal that it's time to water. Peace lilies appreciate moderate humidity, so occasional misting or placing the pot near other plants can encourage healthier foliage and more frequent blooms. Feed the plant with a balanced fertilizer every 6 to 8 weeks during spring and summer to support continuous growth. Remove faded flowers and yellow leaves to keep the plant looking neat and encourage fresh new growth. With proper care, the peace lily rewards you with glossy foliage and stunning white flowers that brighten your office throughout the year. It remains one of the most elegant and rewarding indoor plants for creating a peaceful, welcoming workspace. Plants number 5. Spider plant, taking the 5th spot, is the cheerful and easy-to-grow spider plant, a classic office favorite known for its long, arching green leaves with beautiful white stripes. This charming plant instantly adds freshness and movement to any workspace, whether it's placed on a desk, bookshelf, or hanging basket. One of its most exciting features is its ability to produce baby plants, often called spiderettes, which dangle gracefully from the parent plant and can easily be propagated into new plants. Spider plants thrive in bright, indirect light, but also adapt well to moderate office lighting. Water about once a week, allowing the top inch of soil to dry slightly between waterings. Avoid keeping the soil constantly wet, as this can lead to root problems. Use a well-draining potting mix and a container with drainage holes for the healthiest roots. If the leaf tips begin turning brown, it may be due to minerals in tap water, so using filtered or distilled water occasionally can help. Feed the plant with a balanced liquid fertilizer once a month during spring and summer to encourage lush growth and more baby plants. With its forgiving nature, graceful appearance, and ability to thrive with minimal attention, the spider plant remains one of the best office plants for creating a brighter, greener, and more welcoming workspace throughout the year. Plant number 6. Chinese Evergreen. Coming in at number 6 is the stunning Chinese Evergreen, a plant celebrated for its colorful foliage and remarkable ability to thrive in low-light office environments. Depending on the variety, its broad leaves feature beautiful combinations of dark green, silver, cream, pink, or even vibrant red, making it an eye-catching addition to any desk or office corner. One of the biggest advantages of the Chinese Evergreen is its adaptability. It tolerates fluorescent lighting and air-conditioned offices with ease, making it ideal for busy professionals. Place it in low to medium indirect light for the best leaf color, while avoiding harsh direct sunlight that can scorch the foliage. Water when the top 1 to 2 inches of soil feel dry, usually every 1 to 2 weeks. Make sure excess water drains freely to prevent root rot. Wipe the leaves occasionally with a soft, damp cloth to remove dust and keep their colors bright and glossy. Feed with a balanced houseplant fertilizer every 6 to 8 weeks during the growing season to promote healthy new leaves. Rotate the pot every few weeks so all sides receive equal light and the plant grows evenly. With its elegant appearance and effortless care routine, the Chinese Evergreen is an outstanding choice for adding lasting beauty and color to any office space. Plant number 7. Heartleaf Philodendron. At number 7 is the graceful Heartleaf Philodendron, a timeless indoor plant loved for its cascading vines and charming heart-shaped leaves. Its rich green foliage creates a warm, relaxing atmosphere that instantly softens the look of desks, bookshelves, filing cabinets, and office walls. This versatile plant grows happily in both low and bright indirect light, although brighter conditions encourage faster growth and fuller vines. Water. Whenever the top inch of soil becomes dry, usually every 1 to 2 weeks, depending on your office environment. Always allow excess water to drain away, as soggy soil can damage the roots. One of the easiest ways to keep this plant looking full is by trimming the vines regularly. Pruning encourages new branches, creating a thicker, bushier appearance while providing cuttings that can easily be rooted in water to grow additional plants. Feed monthly with a balanced liquid fertilizer during spring and summer to maintain vibrant foliage. Clean the leaves occasionally to remove dust and help the plant absorb more light. Because of its forgiving nature and elegant trailing habit, the Heartleaf Philodendron is perfect for beginners as well as experienced plant lovers. With very little effort, it rewards you with continuous lush growth that brings natural beauty and calmness to any office throughout the year. Plant number 8. Rubber plant. Our 8th recommendation is the bold and sophisticated rubber plant, a favorite for modern offices thanks to its large, glossy leaves and upright growth habit. This impressive plant makes a striking statement in executive offices, conference rooms, and spacious work areas, instantly creating a polished and professional atmosphere. Rubber plants thrive in bright, indirect light, where their deep green leaves develop a healthy shine. While they can tolerate moderate light, stronger indirect light encourages faster and fuller growth. Water thoroughly whenever the top 2 inches of soil become dry, then allow excess water to drain completely. Avoid leaving the roots sitting in water, as this can lead to root rot. Use a rich, well-draining potting mix and a sturdy pot with drainage holes to support healthy development. Every few weeks, wipe each leaf gently with a damp cloth to remove dust and restore its beautiful natural gloss. Fertilize once a month during the active growing season using a balanced houseplant fertilizer. Rotate the plant regularly to promote even growth on all sides. With proper care, the rubber plant can grow into a stunning indoor tree that becomes the centerpiece of your office. Its dramatic foliage, low-maintenance routine, and timeless elegance make it one of the best office plants to own in 2026. Plant number 9. Dracaena Marginata. Taking the 9th spot is the elegant Dracaena Marginata, also known as the Madagascar dragon tree. This stylish plant features slender trunks topped with narrow, arching leaves edged in deep red, giving it a sleek architectural appearance that fits perfectly into contemporary office spaces. Whether placed beside a desk in a reception area or in an empty office corner, it instantly adds height and sophistication without taking up too much floor space. Dracaena marginata grows best in medium to bright indirect light, but adapts well to lower light environments, making it highly versatile. Water only when the top half of the soil feels dry, usually every 2 weeks, and always allow excess water to drain away. This plant is sensitive to fluoride and salts found in some tap water, so using filtered or distilled water can help prevent brown leaf tips. Feed with a balanced liquid fertilizer once every 2 months during spring and summer to encourage steady growth. Trim away any damaged leaves to keep the plant looking clean and healthy. Because it grows slowly, repotting is only needed every few years. With its unique shape, hardy nature, and minimal care requirements, the Dracaena marginata is an outstanding office plant that delivers lasting style with very little maintenance. Plant number 10. Lucky bamboo. Rounding out this section at number 10 is the ever-popular lucky bamboo, a symbol of prosperity, harmony, and positive energy that has become a favorite for offices around the world. Its graceful green stalks and simple, elegant appearance make it an excellent choice for desktops, reception counters, and meeting rooms. Despite its name, lucky bamboo is not actually bamboo, but it is incredibly easy to care for. It grows well in bright, indirect light and should be protected from direct sunlight, which can scorch its leaves. One of its unique features is that it can be grown either in water with decorative stones or in well-draining soil. If grown in water, replace the water every 1 to 2 weeks and ensure the roots remain submerged. If planted in soil, keep the soil lightly moist but never waterlogged. Use filtered or distilled water whenever possible, as the plant can be sensitive to chemicals commonly found in tap water. Feed sparingly with a diluted liquid fertilizer every 2 to 3 months to maintain healthy green growth. Remove any yellow leaves promptly to keep the arrangement looking fresh. With its graceful appearance, symbolic meaning, and exceptionally low-maintenance care, lucky bamboo is a wonderful office companion that brings beauty, simplicity, and a sense of calm to any workspace. And there you have it. The 10 best plants for office spaces in 2026 that can instantly transform your workspace into a greener, more relaxing, and more inspiring environment. Whether you choose the nearly indestructible snake plant, the elegant peace lily, the fast-growing pothos, or the stylish rubber plant, each of these plants offers its own unique beauty while requiring only simple care. Remember, healthy plants don't need constant attention. The secret is choosing the right plant for your office lighting, watering only when needed, and giving your plants a little care on a regular basis. Before long, your workspace will become a place that feels more welcoming, refreshing, and enjoyable every single day. We'd love to know which of these office plants is your favorite, or if you already have one growing at your desk. Let us know in the comments below and share your own plant care tips with our community. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest videos on indoor plants, gardening tips, and easy plant care guides. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep growing, keep smiling, and keep bringing more beautiful greenery into your life.